बंद कर दो। हाँ समझ गया। Good morning, children. Yesterday or day before, I have taught you how to separate the components of mixture. Two methods, mixture of solid with solids and mixture of solid with liquids. I have taught you on Tuesday. Now today I am going to discuss about the mixture of liquids with liquids. How mixture of liquids with liquids can be separated from one another. Separating immissile liquid. We all know that when oil gets mixed with water, it stays as a separate layer on the top. The lower layer is of water. If you will see, if you will take a beaker or a glass of water and put 1 teaspoon of mustard oil in that glass, you will see that the mustard layer will float on the top of the water. This is that oil do not get dissolved in water. Liquids which do not dissolve in each other are said to be immissile. ऐसे लिक्विड जो एक दूसरे के साथ घुल नहीं पाते हैं, ऐसे liquids are called immissile liquid. A mixture of two immissile liquids gets separated into two separate layers. A separating funnel is then used to separate out two immissile liquids. To separate the immissile liquids, we are using the separating funnel so that the two immissile liquids can be separated. One activity is given in your book, page number 62. If you don't have the book, listen carefully what I am saying. In the activity given below, explain the method of using separating funnels to separate immissile liquids. Activity 7. Mix some mustard oil in water taken in a beaker. Day before also I have taught you don't have the beaker in your house, so you take the glass. These two liquids form two separate layers. Water will under and the mustard oil layer will be on the top of the glass. Pour this mixture of mustard oil and water into separating funnel. Let it stand undisturbed. उसको बार बार छूना नहीं है. For some time so that the layer of oil and water get clearly separated. Rotate the stopcock with separating funnel at the bottom to let the lower layer, that is water, move out of it into a beaker kept below it. Slowly allow the water layer to move out of the separating funnel. Stop the stopcock as soon as the oil reaches the tip. Thus, oil is left behind in the separating funnel and water is collected into the beaker kept below. Hence, water and oil get separated. For this method, it is you have understood how two immissile liquids are separated from each other through the separating funnel. Do you know there is one another method separating two missile liquids? Previously, just now I have taught you how to separate the immissile liquid, जो एक दूसरे में नहीं घुलते हैं. And now how to separate miscible liquids. The method commonly is used for this purpose is distillation. Miscible liquids को हम किस method से अलग करते हैं उसके लिए the method which we are using is distillation. Here the two liquids present in the mixture having different boiling points. जो दो liquids हम लेते हैं दोनों के boiling point different है. This method involves evaporation of liquid followed by its condensation. The liquid having lower boiling point vaporize first and its vapor are condensed into liquid which are collected separately. The other liquid having higher boiling point is left behind. तो हम कैसे दो मिसिबल लिक्विड्स को अलग करेंगे? इसके लिए जो सबसे कॉमन प्रोसेस इस्तेमाल किया जाता है दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज डिस्टिलेशन. We are taking here two liquids whose boiling points are different. This method involves evaporation of liquid followed by its condensation. The liquid having lower, जिस liquid का boiling point lower होगा कम होगा वो जल्दी भाप बनेगा vaporize होगा and vapor are condensed into liquid form and collected separately. The other liquid which have higher boiling point will be left behind. Have you understood? Combining two or more methods of separation. Till now, we have discussed different methods of separation in an isolation. In actual practice, हर रोज जो हम practice में इस्तेमाल करते हैं, if the mixture contains a number of substance, their separation involves a combination of two or more different methods. अगर एक mixture में दो से अधिक कंपोनेंट्स हैं तो उनको अलग करने के लिए भी दो से अधिक मेथड्स का एक से अधिक मेथड्स का इस्तेमाल करना होगा. And the selection of methods depend upon the properties of the different components. और ये मेथड का चुनाव करने के लिए भी we have to dependent upon the different components of matter present in it. So, to understand this activity or this method, we will perform another activity. Here we will separate sugar, sand and iron nails from a mixture. एक ऐसा मिक्सचर लेंगे जिसमें चीनी, बालू और लोहे की कील मिली हुई है and we will separate this mixture and the different components from that particular mixture. And first step which we will take, that is magnetic separation. Through the process of magnetic separation, iron nails are separated by using a magnet. Sand from this mixture, iron nails will be picked up and the rest sand and sugar will be remain in the mixture left behind. The second process that we will take is the filtration method. Put the mixture of sugar and sand in a beaker containing water. Still sugar get dissolved. एक beaker लेंगे. Here we will use the glass and take some water and put that mixture of sugar and sand in it and stir it till the sugar get completely dissolved in that liquid. Filter this solution. Then what we will see that sand get collected on the filter paper, sugar dissolved in water comes out in the filtrate. And by the again we will do the evaporation process method. Heat the sugar solution till the water evaporates and we will get the sugar crystals left behind. So to separating the different mixtures, Here we are using the different methods. In this activity, we are using three different methods to separate mixtures from or different components of the mixture from each other. In step, we are first using the separating magnetic separation method. The second was filtration, and the third, all of you put your microphone off. Today we will see, are you getting the voice? To separate sugar, sand and iron nails from a mixture, if there is more than two or three components in the mixture, we will also use the two different or more methods for separating that components of the mixture. For this, we are doing an activity. You all listen carefully. First is to separate sugar, sand and iron nails from a mixture. एक ऐसा मिक्सचर लेंगे जिसमें चीनी मिला हो, बालू हो और लोहे के कुछ टुकड़े हो, नेल्स हो. इस मिक्सचर को हम कैसे सेपरेट करेंगे? लिसन केयरफुली. फर्स्ट इज द मैग्नेटिक सेपरेशन. If we are using the magnet, what will happen? Magnet will attract the iron nails because magnet have a tendency to attract the iron objects, and the sand and sugar will be left behind. The second one is filtration. Put the mixture of sugar and salt in the beaker containing water. Stir until the sugar get completely dissolved in that water. What will happen? We will pour the liquid, sand get collected on the filter paper, and the rest solution, that sugar dissolved in water, comes out in the filtrate. After this, we will start the process of evaporation. Heat the sugar solution till the water evaporate, and we will get the sugar crystals left behind. In this way, we are separating the three components of the mixture by three different methods by using them in a same activity. The first method is magnetic separation, second one is filtration, and the third one is evaporation. So what you have learned, we are using three different methods to separate three different components from a mixture. Now the another activity which is also given in your book, page number 63. If you don't have the book, try to buy it and listen carefully. To separate salt, ammonium chloride and salt. To separate salt, ammonium chloride and sand from a mixture, you will also perform an activity. Sublimation. Sublimation. Through the process of sublimation, put the mixture in a china dish with an inverted funnel. ये मिक्सचर को हम चाइना डिश में लेंगे और उस इन्वर्टेड फनल को उल्टा ढक देंगे मिक्सचर को. Then heat the mixture on a wire gauze. Ammonium chloride sublimise. अमोनियम क्लोराइड क्या होगा? सब्लिमाइट करेगा, वह बन के ऊपर उठेगा and forms vapor, and it will form vapor which get condensed on the wall of the funnel. Thus, ammonium chloride is separated. And the second method is filtration. Dissolve the rest of the mixture, that is sand and salt, in the water. Salt get completely dissolved in water while sand does not. Filter this mixture. Again, what will you observe? Sand is left on the filter paper and the filtrate contains the salt. Then, by the process of evaporation, heat the filtrate in a china dish to evaporate water from the salt, and then crystals of salt will be left behind. In this process also, we are separating three components of the mixture, that is salt, ammonium chloride and sand, by three different methods, that is sublimation, filtration and evaporation. So we have done how to separate the mixture of liquids with liquids. First one is separating immissile liquids. Second one is combining two or more methods of separation. And we have seen two or more activity to understand how we will separate the mixture of liquids with liquids. Read this lesson, and if you have got any query, then ask me. Now the chapter is completed. Take out your page number 66. Now fill in the blanks. Question number A. Housewife sometimes use the method of dash to remove unwanted substance from eatables like rice and pulses. Yes, very good. All of you note it down. Common salt is prepared on a large scale through the process of evaporation. By the process of evaporation. Separation of tea leaves from a tea is done by the process called the process of dash can be used to increase the rate of sedimentation of the suspended particles in solid liquid mixture. Very good. The method used to separate the fine particles suspended in a liquid by rotating the mixture at a high speed is known as centrifugation. That method is known as centrifugation. So all of you note this, fill in the blanks in your notebook. Now come to question B. Match the following. Wind, knowing, very good. Chalk, powder and water. Oil and water. First discuss. Then why don't you buy the book? Okay, I will send this on your WhatsApp group. All of you note, all of you do it homework in your notebook. If you have got any query regarding the chapter, ask me. Now listen carefully. I am repeating again, repeating it, and you will listen. Mixture of liquid with liquids. How we will separate the two liquids by different method. First is separating immiscile liquids. How we will separate two immiscible liquids from one another. We all see that when oil gets mixed with water, it stays as a separate layer on the top. The lower layer is of water. For understanding this activity, you will take a glass and fill half with water and take 1 or 2 teaspoons of mustard oil in it. You will see completely another layer on the top of the water. Liquids which do not dissolve in each other are said to be immiscible. A mixture of two immiscible liquids gets separated into two separate layers. For this, a separating funnel is used to separate out the two immiscible liquids. One activity is given below to explain the method of using a separating funnel to separate the immiscible liquids. Mix some mustard oil in water taken in the beaker. These two liquids form two separate layers. Pour this mixture of mustard oil and water into the separating funnel. Let it stand undisturbed for some time so that the layers of the oil and water get clearly separated out. Rotate the stopcock of the separating funnel at the bottom to let the lower level, that is water, move out of it into the beaker kept below. Slowly allow the water layer to move out of the separating funnel. Stop the stopcock as soon as the oil reaches the tip. Thus, oil is left behind in the separating funnel and water is collected in the beaker kept below. Hence, water and oil get separated by this method. Now, separating two miscible liquids. The method for separating two miscible liquids is the distillation method. Here, two liquids present in the mixture having the different boiling points. दोनों मिक्स जो मिक्सचर्स हैं उसमें दोनों लिक्विड्स के बॉइलिंग पॉइंट अलग अलग हैं. This method involves evaporation of liquid followed by its condensation. The liquids having lower boiling point vaporize first and the vapor are condensed into liquid which are collected separately. The other liquid having higher boiling point is left behind. Combining two or more methods of separation. कैसे हम दो और अधिक मेथड्स का उपयोग करेंगे टू डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ लिक्विड्स को सेपरेट करने के लिए. Till now we have discussed different methods of separation in isolation. But in actual practice, if the mixture contains a number of substances, their separation involves a combination of two or more of these methods. अगर एक मिक्सचर में दो से अधिक कंपोनेंट्स मिले हों तो सेपरेशन के लिए दो से अधिक मेथड का भी इस्तेमाल एक साथ करना होगा टू सेपरेट द liquid with liquids. The selection of this method depends upon the properties of different components present in it. Let us perform another activity to understand. If we are taking a mixture of sugar, sand and iron nails, how we will separate this mixture from one another? For this we are taking the three different steps to separate these components from the mixture. In this step, first we are doing the separating magnetic separation. Iron nails are separating by using the magnet. Then when iron nails are separated from the mixture, in mixture sand and sugar are left behind. Then in another step, we are using the method of filtration. Put the mixture of sand and sugar in the beaker containing water. Stir till sugar gets dissolved. Filter the solution. Sand gets collected on the filter paper. Sugar dissolved in water comes out in the filtrate. And the third step, we are using the process of evaporation. Heat the sugar solution till water evaporates. शुगर सॉल्यूशन को तब तक गर्म करते रहना पड़ेगा जब तक कि पानी भाप बन के उड़ न जाए और जब water will evaporate, what will happen? There will be some crystals of sugar left behind. So in this way you have understood what I have said, how we will separate sugar, salt and iron nails from a mixture. Again I am going to make you understand another activity to get your concept clear. How we will separate salt, ammonium chloride and sand from a mixture. For that you have to go through the different steps. The first one is sublimation. Put the mixture in a china dish with an inverted funnel covering it. Heat the mixture on a wire gauge. Ammonium chloride sublimes and forms vapor which get condensed on the bowl of the funnel. Thus ammonium chloride is separated. Then in the mixture salt and sand will be left. Then the second method we will do, that is filtration. Dissolve the rest of the mixture, that is sand and salt, in the water and stir properly. Sand dissolve in water while sand does not. Filtrate the mixture. Sand is left on the filter paper and filtrate contains the salt. And the last, we will do the evaporation process. Heat the filtrate in the china dish to evaporate water so that the crystals of the salts remains in the china dish. And thus, by three different methods, sublimation, filtration and evaporation, we are separating the three different components of the mixture from one another. I am giving you the few terms that you will note it down in your notebook. First is centrifugation, decantation, evaporation, loading, magnetic separation, sublimation, threshing, winnowing. I am asking you one question. Answer it. Name any three methods used for separating solid-solid mixture. Name any three methods used for separating a solid-solid mixture. Anyone who will answer it? Name any three methods used for separating solid-solid mixture. Yes, who are you? Very good, Janvi. Okay, good. What is winnowing? Anyone who will answer it? What is winnowing? Winnowing is method used to separate lighter husk from the heavier grains, and it is done in the presence of wind. What is threshing? Name, answer this question. Name any three substances which sublime on heating. Day before I have taught you. Name any three substances that sublime on heating. Anyone? This is a very important question also. Naphthalene, camphor, iodine, ammonium chloride. These are the substances that sublime on heating. Naphthalene, camphor, iodine, and ammonium chloride. These four substances sublime on heating. What is the sublimation process? Janvi, who are you? Very good. And any activity that you separate by sublimation method, you say just which which mixtures you can separate by sublimation method. An activity also I have discussed with you yesterday or day before. Very good. One word question. In Kerala, cashew nuts of different substances are separated by which method? Very good. Jewelers also use the process to separate pearls of different sizes. Very good. An average, a liter of seawater has how much grams of edible salt in it? 1 लीटर समुद्री पानी में कितने ग्राम एडिबल सॉल्ट्स पाए जाते हैं? एडिबल सॉल्ट। वेरी गुड। व्हाट इज द एडिबल? व्हाट इज द लोडिंग प्रोसेस? वेरी गुड। शाश्वत। A traditional long-handled wooden churner is still used to separate butter from cream. For this, which process is used? A traditional long-handled churner is used to separate butter from cream. In this, which process is used? Centrifugation. Okay, good. What is mixtures? Unique proportion. मिक्स मिक्सचर एक ऐसा सब्सटेंस है जो किसी भी प्रॉपर्टी के प्रपोर्शन में एक दूसरे के साथ मिले हों। जरूरी नहीं है कि दोनों की क्वांटिटी एक ही हो। कोई अधिक भी हो सकते हैं कंपोनेंट्स और कोई दूसरे कंपोनेंट्स कम भी हो सकते हैं। किसी भी अनुपात में सब्सटेंस मिले हों एक दूसरे में, दैट इज नोन एज मिक्सचर। हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ मिक्सचर्स आर देयर? Two types of mixture, homogeneous and heterogeneous. What is decantation? The pro What is decantation? Explain it. बिना सेडिमेंट्स को हिलाए डुलाए हम उसमें से क्लियर सॉल्यूशन को कैसे सेपरेट करेंगे, उसमें से अलग निकाल लेंगे? दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज डिकेंटेशन। व्हाट इज लोडिंग? Speeding up the rate of sedimentation by making light substance suspended particles heavier using suitable chemicals. This process is known as loading. There are six methods of separating solid-solid mixture from one another. First is hand picking, second is winnowing, third is magnetic separation, fourth is threshing, fifth is sieving, and the last one is sublimation. How solid liquid mixtures are of two types. Solid first one is solid that dissolve in liquid. Such mixtures can be separated by using the evaporation and sterilization method. Solid that does not dissolve in liquid. Such mixtures can be separated by the process of sedimentation and decantation, filtration, and centrifugation. A mixture of two immiscible liquids can be separated the using of separating funnels. What is pure substance and how you will differentiate between pure substance and the mixture? Anyone who will answer it? What is pure substance? I have asked what is pure substance? A pure substance is made up of only one type of substance that is known as pure substance, like sugar, salt. These are the examples of the pure substance. And what is mixture? What is mixture? Now give two examples of pure substance and two examples of mixture. No, of mixtures. That is type. I am asking the example of mixture. Very good. Okay. Okay. What is heterogeneous and homogeneous mixture? Give the examples of two. Give the examples of homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture. Oh. Now I am asking one question. The process of cutting and gathering the ripened crop is known as? The process of cutting and gathering the ripened crop is called? Okay, good. A farm machine which is used for both harvesting and threshing is known as? Very good. Now you have understood this chapter in a better way, all of you. If you have any query, if you have any query regarding this chapter or any topic, ask me. Read the chapter carefully, and if you have got, don't say it just now. Read the book, and if you have any query, then ask me tomorrow. Tomorrow is your also class, 8 to 9, and ask me. And all the topics, all the points that I have given you, note it down in your notebook. And the question answer I will send you in your WhatsApp group. Okay? Name any three substances which sublime on heating. Name any three substances that sublimes on heating. Anyone? Just now I told you. Naphthalene, camphor, iodine. Okay. Then from why don't you answer it? Common salt is prepared by the method of Common salt is prepared on the large scale through the process of. The method used to separate the fine particles suspended in a liquid by rotating the mixture at a high speed is known as. Transferring the clear liquid into another containing container, leaving behind the residue is called. Which of the following is an example of heterogeneous mixtures? Sugar in water, pebbles in rice, an aerated drink, salt in water. Rice. Pebbles in rice. Very good. Which one of the following is not an example of pure substance? Oxygen, air, copper, carbon dioxide. Air is a mixture, not a pure substance. Air is a mixture of what? 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% other gas. So it is a so pure substance is oxygen. Okay. The process of loading helps to speed up the process of rate of sedimentation. A substances that sublimes easily is naphthalene, sugar, salt, naphthalene. Okay, read the chapter and ask me tomorrow if you have any query. Okay, Ayush, Ayush, Anna, this is